Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to withdraw from Binance to Revolut. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, providing you with a clear understanding of how to transfer your funds safely and efficiently. First, you need to have a Binance account and a Revolut account. If you don't have these accounts, you will need to create them before proceeding. Once you have your accounts, log into your Binance account and navigate to the Wallet section. Here, you will see a list of all the cryptocurrencies you hold on the platform. Select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw and click on the Withdraw button. You will be prompted to enter the address where you want to send the funds. This is where you will enter your Revolut account details. You can find your Revolut account details by logging in to your Revolut app, going to the Accounts section, and selecting the currency you want to receive. Copy the account details and paste them into the Binance withdrawal page. Make sure to double-check the address to avoid any mistakes. Once you have entered the address, you will need to select the network you want to use for the withdrawal. The network you choose will depend on the cryptocurrency you are withdrawing and the fees associated with it. After selecting the network, you will be prompted to enter the amount you want to withdraw. Enter the amount and click on the Withdraw button. You will then be asked to confirm the transaction. Review the details carefully and confirm the withdrawal. The withdrawal process can take some time, depending on the network congestion and the cryptocurrency you are withdrawing. You can track the status of your withdrawal by going to the Transaction History section on your Binance account. Once the funds have been transferred to your Revolut account, you can use them to make purchases, pay bills, or exchange them for other currencies. It is essential to note that Revolut may charge a small fee for receiving cryptocurrency, so make sure to check their fees before making a withdrawal. In conclusion, withdrawing from Binance to Revolut is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following this guide, you can safely and efficiently transfer your funds and start using them in your Revolut account. Remember to always double-check the address and network before making a withdrawal, and be aware of any fees associated with the transaction.